Did you know that Tesla has done more than just create electric cars? It has completely redefined what we expect from the automotive industry. From cutting-edge technology to sustainable energy solutions, Tesla is leading a revolution. Let's dive into how Tesla has transformed the way we think about cars and the future of transportation. When Tesla introduced the Roadster in 2008, it shattered the myth that electric cars couldn't be fast, stylish, or practical. The Roadster was a game-changer, proving that electric vehicles could offer high performance and sleek design, challenging the long-held perceptions about EVs. Today, Tesla's Model S, 3, X, and Y dominate the EV market by combining long-range performance with sleek designs. These models have set new standards in the industry, offering features that were once thought impossible for electric vehicles. The Model S, for instance, boasts an impressive range and acceleration that rivals some of the best gasoline-powered cars. By proving that EVs could outperform traditional gas-powered cars, Tesla inspired other automakers to follow suit. This shift has led to a surge in the development of electric vehicles across the industry, with many companies now investing heavily in EV technology to keep up with Tesla's innovations. Tesla didn't stop at electric powertrains. Its cars are packed with cutting-edge technology, like autopilot, which brings self-driving capabilities closer to reality. Autopilot is a suite of advanced driver assistance systems that enhance safety and convenience behind the wheel. It includes features like traffic-aware cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and even the ability to change lanes automatically. Over-the-air updates allow Tesla owners to enjoy new features without visiting a dealership, something unheard of in the traditional auto industry. This innovative approach ensures that Tesla vehicles are always up to date with the latest software improvements, enhancing performance, safety, and user experience. Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy goes beyond cars. The company produces renewable energy solutions like solar panels and Powerwall batteries, making clean energy accessible for homes and businesses. These products are designed to work seamlessly with Tesla's electric vehicles, creating a comprehensive ecosystem of sustainable energy solutions. Tesla's gigafactories are also built with a focus on sustainability, aiming to reduce carbon emissions at scale. These massive production facilities are designed to be highly efficient and environmentally friendly, utilizing renewable energy sources and advanced manufacturing techniques to minimize their carbon footprint. Tesla's gigafactories revolutionize car production by integrating advanced automation and scaling EV production to meet global demand. The company's innovative approach to manufacturing has set new benchmarks for efficiency and sustainability in the automotive industry. Its innovations in battery technology, such as the 4680 cells, have improved energy efficiency and lowered costs, paving the way for more affordable EVs. These advancements have made electric vehicles more accessible to a broader audience, accelerating the adoption of sustainable transportation. Tesla is pushing boundaries with projects like the Tesla Semi, Cybertruck, and plans for a fully autonomous robotaxi fleet. These ventures are set to change logistics, personal transportation, and even urban planning as we know it. The Tesla Semi, for example, promises to revolutionize the trucking industry with its impressive range and performance, while the Cybertruck's unique design and capabilities have captured the public's imagination. Tesla's impact on the automotive industry isn't just about making great cars. It's about challenging the status quo and driving us toward a more sustainable future. The company's relentless pursuit of innovation has forced the entire industry to rethink its approach to vehicle design, manufacturing, and energy use. What do you think is Tesla's most revolutionary achievement? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on the innovations shaping our world. Credits narrated by narrator's name, written by writer's name, produced by producer's name.